Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, grade 3 little scientists. Welcome to the science program once more. Today we start a new topic. Please open your science books on page 76. Okay? Today's topic is about the sun, the earth, and the moon. Very important things in our life. Again, the sun, the earth, and the moon. Okay? By the end of this lesson, we'll learn how to describe the motion of the earth around the sun. Number 2, explain why we have day and night. Number 3, identify and compare the sun, the earth, and the moon. Okay? First, let's start with the keywords. As you know, what can you see here? What's this? We have January, February, March. You know, we have 12 months in what? In a year. So this is a year, okay? And what about this? It's a star, okay? Does it give light? Yes. What about this? It's the moon, of course. Yes. What about this? Is it day or night? Of course, day. And here, look at this. Does it give light? Is it, you know, a star like the other one? Of course, this is not a star. It's a planet, okay? Now, look at this. What can you see here? Yes, of course, we have the sun and the earth. And this is an orbit, the orbit of the earth around the sun. Orbit, you see? Okay. What can you see in this picture? You can see the sun. We can see the sun and the earth. And this is the orbit, again, the orbit of the earth. The earth goes round the sun in an orbit. And there is something called gravity. Gravity makes the distance between the sun and the earth stable, fixed. The sun is a star. We know this. Why is the sun a star? Because it gives us light. The earth is a planet, okay? The planet is made up of rocks, okay? 1 year, again, the earth travels around the sun. The earth's path is called its orbit, okay? 1 year is the time it takes for the earth to travel once around the sun. This is very important. When I ask you, how long does the earth take time to travel around the sun? You will say 1 year. So the earth takes 1 year to go round the sun. Again, the earth takes what? Takes 1 year to go around the sun. Okay, next. This is an activity to do, traveling in an orbit. You can try this at home. It's very interesting. You can bring a tennis ball and a piece of string, a rope. What should you do? You should tie the ball to the string. Can you tie the string to the ball? And then whirl the ball around your head. You tie the thread to your head and whirl it, move it. This is how the earth travels around the sun. How long does it take the tennis ball to orbit your head? It will take some time, okay? As the earth travels around the sun, it spins like the top. You know the top? When we move something like this, okay, it's a top. 1 day is the time it takes for the earth to spin once around. Again, this is the earth, as you can see. It moves like this, on its axis, like the top. It moves fast, like this. Okay? As the earth travels around the sun, it spins, it revolves. One day is the time it takes for the earth to spin around once. Okay, so it's one day to move. So be careful. The earth takes 1 year to go around the sun, and it takes 1 day to go around itself. Okay, so imagine that this is the earth. Okay, it takes 1 day to go around itself. Imagine that this is the sun, okay, and giving light, and this is the earth. When it moves, this part has day and this part has night. Okay, when it makes one complete round, this part will turn into day and this part will turn into night. So why do we have day and night? Because the earth goes around itself once every day. You will need a torch and a globe if you have one at home. Darken the room, okay? Turn on the torch and shine it on the globe. The torch is a light source like the sun. It lights up one side of the globe, but the far side of the globe is in darkness. As you can see, here is the torch. It will make this part bright. The other part will be dark. Find your home country in the globe. Is it day or night? For example, here, Saudi Arabia, it is in the night, okay, in this picture. But here, it would be in daytime. Spin the globe around, watch how your country passes from day to night and back again as the earth spins. The earth takes a whole day to turn once, as we said, a day. So we have one period of darkness and one period of daylight for 24 hours. Okay, let's review this. Match the labels to the pictures. We have 3 labels and we have 3 pictures. Okay? Earth. Which one is Earth? Of course, you know that this is Earth. It has, you know, the continents and the seas and the oceans. What about the sun? This is the sun, as you know. What about the moon? Here is the moon. And you see, the biggest is the sun, then the earth, then the moon. Okay, match the objects to their description. The sun is what? A planet or a star or a cold ball of rock? The sun is, of course, it's a star. The sun is a star. The moon is a cold ball of rock. Okay, what about the earth? The earth is a planet. Again, the sun, a star. The earth, a planet. The moon, ball of rock. Okay, by this we come to the end of our science lesson for today. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye.